Yo. What is up, guys? Give me another reaction. Yeah. Today we are with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa. They're on the genius hidden Gully Riddim. Biggest, baddest rhythm right now, everyone. With service. Yes, with service. Make a jump in the one and see where the GS man. Let's go, man. Humble clot. Eh? Video clean your fuck. No, I never. What kind of camera I use, brother? Eh? For those who know, no. For those who know, no. If you never experienced anything where your mother go a river go wash clothes, or your sister, or you there, or you as a little youth there in the road, there in the river, and see how some woman a wash and them thing then, you know, go them thing there before washing machine, them thing there. Look at this.
Yeah, me buy any type of brand. Your pussy good and it never second hand. Long in your belly, just a dig and just a slap.
Alright. Skippa saying buy anything you want, mama. Yeah.
I'm a wire, me girl. Me wire twerk, your sign full of oil, me girl. No want a service, papi lick a call, come me up in the.
Hold on, wait. Hold on, wish. God, this look like it higher than him 4K to blood clot. The fact say, the artists them are found out and be creative. Me love it.
Yeah, me buy any type of brand. Yeah. Your pussy good and it never second hand. Long in your belly, just a dig and just a slap.
Yeah, man, him buy anything, mama. Your pussy good and never second hand, a brand new pussy. Other girl they look like Cecile, so what me wanna see Cecile still?
Dig and just a slap. I'm a wire, me girl. Me wire twerk, your sign full of oil, me girl. No want a service, papi.
Me want your wine, me girl. Me want your turn waistline full of aisle, me girl. Me want your service.
Lick a call, come me up in your cervix. Girl, you know me dog skin it out on a church this.
Eh?
Papi, lick a call, come me up in your cervix. Girl, you know me dog skin it out on a church this.
I'm saying open your cervix, mama. No, your cervix. Sorry, cervix.
Girl, now girl a better than you. You bend your back like it, girl, them attack. Oh, fire. Just to show you what the money can do. Just to show you what the money can do. Good on my girl, me why you sit and catch.
Yeah, the way of them girl look good. The whole of them girl look good. Every single one.
Anything me buy your slippers bag. Down in your old man a jiff and cash. And you know who you know live by man. Yeah.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
So baby girl, just call me. A gunman in your hole when you're on it. Yeah, I know you want to stop it talking. I straight to the your hole from morning, bro.
Yeah, man, from morning till evening, I straight to the your hole. The Genius live, alright. All vinyl night, 7.9. Saturday. 20, okay. Oldies and good. Okay, oldies but goodies. Special, me like the poster.
I want you wine, me girl. Me want you twerk, your sign full of oil, me girl. No want a service, papi lick a call, come me up in your cervix. Girl, you know me dog skin it out on a church this.
Comment section. What do you think about that one? What do you say about that one?
Yeah. Now girl a better than you. You bend your back like it, girl, them attack.
Yo, that girl look good enough. Yo, where them girl come from, brother?
Oh, fire, just to show you what the money can do. Yeah, come on, go down and wine. Sit and catch.
Yeah, but you see me telling you, every song have a different mix. Every song have a different mix to fit the artist style, bro. That style, that mix and not have any no other song.
Anything, slip us back, down in your hole. Chief and cash, yeah.
Yeah, man. Him give Skippa a different mix. See him here from Gully, from Sika, from Valley, from Ellie. A different mix, yeah.
So baby girl, just call me. A gunman in your hole when you're on it. Yeah, I know you want to stop it talking. I straight to the your hole from morning, bro.
Yo, Genius is a fucking genius. And I know I say it in all of the reaction, then, but Genius is literally a genius. Genius, big up yourself.
Why you wine me, girl? Me why you twerk? Your sign full of oil, me girl. No want a service. Papi lick a car, come me up in your service. Girl, you know me dog skin it out and a church this.
And for those who don't know, I can't tell they give him the name Genius. Yes.
Girl, na girl no better than you. You bend your back like it, girl, you matter. Oh, tie you out just to show you what the money can do.
Yeah, man, we are fly out to show you the money can do, man. Cause you bend your back, that's like the girl in my taboo. Yeah, man, mama, your thing hop. So me have to pay the money.
Just to show you what the money can. Yeah, me buy you any type of brand. Your pussy good and it never second hand.
Yo, where them girl come from? Me still ask that. Me not see them girl around.
Inna your belly, just a dig and just a slap. Dig and just a slap.
Gully, oh, buckler. Summer Riddim. Gully. Yeah, run him away. Perfect. Perfect. Run him away, man. Run him away. Peeping Tom. Yes. Service in Gully, Ryan Skippa, directed by Rupi. Big up yourself, Mitchie. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Big up the production team. No, I never. Yo, what can I say? Skippa, pan the rhythm. Like me say, I'm not going to be one of those who are going to say which song bad and which song a lead. No, I sang them bad because guess what? The artists them have to forward out with them creativity and write a song where fit the rhythm. So you can't have no song where they put on from them time and come match it on the rhythm. No. You have to go to the drawing board and Steven do all of the mixing them. Him don't tell me. Steven mix all of the song them because Steven know what quality Steven wants. Yes. Also, Steven say if on the song is not authorized, it now go there on him channel. But only just go and wait because the artist them advice already for them song have to push out first. So only just go and wait. Only just have the song go and push it same way and just go and wait. The G will authorize on Yeah. Big up on yourself. Let me know what to think about the dog in the comment section though and I'll catch you guys down there. Alright?